What's up, guys? I got a really cool trick for mashed potatoes. Check out this video. This is cooking made simple. First step, get a bowl, fill it halfway with water, get your peeler, and start peeling. I peel on top of the parchment paper, then it just cleans up real easy. Once it's peeled, just drop it in your bowl of water and continue peeling the rest of the potatoes. Alright, so the potatoes are all peeled. Nice, easy cleanup. Depending on how big your potato is, this one we're going to go down the long ways, and then I'm just going to half it. You want to have decent sized chunks about like that. Go ahead, cut all of them, keep them in the water. All my potatoes are cut and they're in the water. I'm going to take the same water that the potatoes are sitting in, and I'm going to put the potatoes in the pot first. Now here's the trick. Only add enough water to just barely cover the potato. So push them down with your hand to where they're barely covered like that. We're gonna roll this on high. When all the water is evaporated, the potatoes are done. So what this is doing is the water that the potatoes were sitting in earlier is being used, so all the flavor is still being transferred to this pot. After the water completely evaporates, I'm not dumping any water out and losing any flavor. Everything is gonna condense together. So our potatoes are going. Now we're gonna get our cream warmed up. So add your cream to the pot and just keep it on a low simmer. We just wanna warm it. We're not boiling it or anything like that, just warming it up. So our potatoes are coming up. Go ahead, add some salt to the water. And then bring the heat down just slightly off of high. But keep it on high, but just slightly off. So check it out, that's a good temperature right there. Just let that roll until all the water is completely evaporated. The potatoes will be ready to go. So if you see in the pan, all the water is completely evaporated. I'm turning off the heat and we're gonna start adding our other ingredients. We're gonna put our hot potatoes in the bowl. And then we're gonna add butter. And then we're gonna mix. I have a little hand blender, also KitchenAid or manually. And we'll just mix this in and get this mixed up. Butter's all mixed in. Now we're gonna add our hot cream, a little at a time because we wanna get that right consistency, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, once all your ingredients are mixed together, go ahead, give it a taste, and then now you would add more salt if need be, and also pepper. Okay guys, the key cooking technique that I showed you was you always just fill enough water to cover the potato. Don't add tons of water, boil the potato, then go dump all the water out in the sink and then take the potatoes out of the pot. What you're doing is you're actually dumping off all the starch and all the flavor. So by just putting enough water, letting the water boil down and completely evaporating, you don't lose any flavor. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments down below on dishes that you want to cook that we could cook together. Thanks for watching.